Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Yusri bin Abidin. Today I would like to present our research paper with title of Students' Perception of the Use of YouTube Channel as a Support Media for the Learning of Computer Science Courses since COVID-19 Pandemic. Introduction. The world is currently going through the process of the 4.0 Industrial Revolution era. One of the effects of change in this era is that there is such a rapid shift in the world of education today that has adopted digital technology in the learning process. The digital technology used in educational environment is becoming a very important learning medium for sharing information and helping to improve students' knowledge. The Google YouTube channel platform has become part of the package for the dissemination of knowledge, including in the academic world. The development of science and technology is increasingly driving reform effort in the use of technological outcome in the learning process. Research problem. The constraints during implementation of teaching and learning in face-to-face due to the current situation of the pandemic cause the majority of students have difficulty in understanding the topic studied. Lecturers also difficult to convey teaching content or syllabus effectively to the student. Thus, a medium such as YouTube channel is seen to be able to help students and lecturers in diversifying learning methods despite facing constraints in implementing the teaching and learning process. Objective. The objective of the study was to examine students' perception from three aspects. First is to identify student perception of the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium in the computer science subject at Kelantan Matriculation College. Second, comparing student perception of the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium according to the System 2 semester and System 4 semester program in computer science subject. The third, comparing students' perception of the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium according to modules in computer science subject. Research questions. First is what is the student perception on using YouTube channel as a learning medium in computer science subject at Kelantan Matriculation College? Second, are there any differences in student perception in using the YouTube channel as a learning medium according to the SDS and SES program in the computer science subject? The third, are there any differences in student perception of the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium according to the modules in the computer science subject? Methodology. The first is research design. The study is a descriptive survey study using a cross-sectional study approach in the form of quantitative data. The research population for the study was a total of 230 students of SDS and SES course in 2020 and 2021 session. A total of 150 respondents from SDS and SES were selected at the study as the study sample. Research instruments. The level of students' perception was measured through a questionnaire instrument using a 5-point Likert type scale that is between 1 for strongly disagree and 5 for strongly agree. Data collection and analysis procedure. The data collection process was done online by distributing the questionnaire through the Google Form platform and YouTube Live link. The data obtained in the study were analyzed using descriptive statistics and inferential analysis. Next, a pair sample t-test was used to answer the second and third questions. Finding and discussion. Research question number 1. The findings of the study have shown that the overall means of student perception of the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium in computer science course at Kelantan Matriculation College is at a high level of 4.3 with a standard deviation of 0.69, and this has indirectly answered the first research question. In addition, statistical analysis showed data for the fourth item. For learning through the YouTube channel, prompt me to rebroadcast myself in order to achieve objective and learning outcome in the topic taught with mean equal to 4.6 and standard deviation is equal to 0.5 is the item with the highest score. Research question number 2. The findings of the study for students' perceptions according to the program towards the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium in computer science courses at Kelantan Matriculation College has shown the main perception of students according to SDS program on the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium in computer science courses is at a high level of 4.3. As for the SES program, although the means of students' perception is at a high level of interpretation of 4.2, but it is lower when compared to the mean of student perception for the SDS program. Research question number 3. The findings of the study of the students' perception of the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium in computer science courses but has shown the mean perception of Module 2 student is at a higher mean level, means equal to 4.34, compared to the perception of Module 3 students who obtain a mean of 4.28. Conclusion. In conclusion, the study found that there was a positive perception of students with high mean scores on the use of YouTube channel as a learning medium in computer science courses. This shows students using YouTube channel as the learning medium in computer science courses. For the analysis of the program, the findings showed that SES program students were more positive in using YouTube channel as a learning medium compared to SES students, while the comparison by module reported that students from Module 2 were more positive in using YouTube channel as a learning medium when compared to Module 3 students. Thank you.